Hey guys, if you're logged into Netflix on a smart TV and want to sign out, here's the quick and easy way to do it, no matter which brand of TV you're using. So guys, firstly start up with opening up your Netflix app on your TV, then using the remote, move left until you see the sidebar, and scroll down and select Get Help or Settings, depending on your TV model. So you select the settings in here with this gear icon, and you go to the settings. Inside the Help menu, choose the Sign Out or Sign Out of Netflix button, as you can see. When prompted, confirm by selecting Yes. You'll be logged out of your Netflix account immediately, and the app will return to the login screen. And from here, you can just sign in with a different account or simply close the app. As you can see, here's our confirmation. Do you want to sign out? And then you press on Yes. And that's it. You're now signed out of your Netflix on your smart TV, and if this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.